A powerful gas pressure washer from a name you trust. The WPX 3400 from Westinghouse produces a maximum of 3,400 pounds of pressure and pumps up to 2.6 gallons of water per minute. Clean, renew, and rejuvenate surfaces with the WPX 3400. Use the built-in half-gallon soap tank with the soap applicator nozzle for wide area coverage to lift and release set-in stains on siding, windows, and cars. The 40-degree fan pattern nozzle is for powerful cleaning on boats and RVs or as a final rinse. The 25 and 15-degree nozzles are for deep cleaning fences, brick, and concrete, or for reaching those high, hard-to-reach places like gutters and chimneys. Finally, blast with precision using the high-pressure 0-degree nozzle for cleaning sidewalk cracks and driveways. The WPX 3400 is the ideal pressure washer for all your home needs. A stainless steel wand with brass quick connect fittings will easily change between nozzles. 25 feet of worry-free abrasion-resistant hose connects to a self-priming 3-piston axial cam pump. 3,400 pounds of high-power cleaning for your toughest jobs. The WPX 3400. Westinghouse. Power when you need it. Power where you need it.
Before you begin setting up your SpeedWash pressure washer, be sure you have your safety glasses ready. Then check the engine oil and fuel levels. Remember, never use fuel with more than 10% ethanol or E85 fuel. You must have a minimum octane rating of 87. To provide water, you'll need a garden hose no longer than 50 feet. Your water supply will need to provide at least 3.5 gallons of water per minute. Run the water for about 30 seconds to ensure the hose is free of debris before you connect it to the pressure washer. With the water off, uncoil the high-pressure hose and connect it to the pump and the gun. Then turn the water back on and depress the trigger to bleed any air out of the lines. Now you're ready to connect the high-pressure nozzle tip or cleaning attachment depending on your application. Based on that application, adjust the power dial gun to the appropriate setting. If you're using detergent, you can add that to the onboard tank now. Connect the siphon tube to the pump on one end and insert the other end into the detergent tank. To start the engine, open the fuel valve and the choke. Turn the red ignition switch to on, pull the recoil handle until the engine starts. Make sure to depress the trigger on the gun between pulls to reduce pressure buildup in the pump and make starting easier. As the engine warms up, slowly move the choke to the closed position. Now you're ready to clean.
Get the professional power and performance you need with the Simpson PS3228 gas pressure washer. Powered by a Honda GX200 engine with low oil shutdown feature and a AAA industrial triplex pump with fully adjustable unloader. This machine provides 3,300 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute to take on the toughest jobs. Our exclusive Power Boost technology increases pressure at the nozzle for enhanced cleaning. The 5/16" by 25-foot Morflex high-pressure hose is lightweight, durable, and resists kinks and abrasions. Additional accessories include an ergonomic spray gun with a 16-inch steel lance and 5 quick connect nozzles that swap easily to match your cleaning application. And it's all housed on a powder-coated welded steel frame with 10-inch premium pneumatic tires. The Simpson 3228 pressure washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.
Remember when your stairway wasn't covered in years of dirt and grime? Blast those puppies back to life with the Win 3100 PSI gas-powered pressure washer. With 5 different spray gun nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees along with an onboard soap tank, you'll be able to take on both the toughest and the most delicate surfaces all with the same machine. Power wash away decades of dirt and neglect, spraying up to 2.5 gallons per minute worth of water directly at the caked on scum. There's nothing quite as satisfying as reviving a surface back to its original state. Featuring a 30-foot hose with onboard storage, two 12-inch never flat wheels, a 208cc 4-stroke OHV engine, and a soft rubber padded handle, you'll be able to clean stairs, walls, sidewalks, driveways, roofs, cars, boats. You can even clean your watermelons. Now that's what I'm talking about. And because it's a Win product, your unit comes backed by a 2-year warranty, a nationwide network of skilled service technicians, and a friendly customer helpline. Remember when your surfaces look good?
Remember when.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3100 PSI pressure washer. Perfect for any outdoor project. In the garage, cleaning your recreational equipment, or removing stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 224cc engine with a high-performance Anovi Riverberry pump, delivering 2.2 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, storage strap, comfort grip trigger gun, and 5 interchangeable quick connect nozzles. Using different cleaning detergents has never been easier with the onboard 1-gallon detergent tank and the unique low-pressure detergent nozzle. And the low profile and 12-inch wheels make this versatile unit easy to maneuver and transport from job to job. Make sure you always wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your operator's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the water supply. Turn on the water supply. Pull the trigger gun to purge air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3100 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.